In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and support squarespace.com. We're going to walk through a quick, reliable way to find the official Squarespace help article on selling add-on products, starting right from the Squarespace marketing site and moving into the Help Center. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to search for, so you can get trustworthy guidance straight from the source. Begin on the Squarespace Create Your Website page. This is the public landing page that showcases templates and features. You don't need to log in for what we're doing today. Let the page load fully so the top navigation is visible. That's where our shortcut to support lives. If you prefer to keep your place while you work, open this page in a fresh tab so you can return to it easily. At the top of the page, look for the navigation item labeled Resources. It's part of Squarespace's main menu and is your gateway to guides, webinars, and official help. Click Resources to open the dropdown. If you don't see it immediately, scroll slightly up so the header reappears. Some browsers hide the menu when you scroll down. From the Resources dropdown, choose Help Center. This takes you to support.squarespace.com, which is where Squarespace maintains current, vetted documentation. You'll notice a prominent search bar near the top, plus categories and popular articles. The search bar is the fastest route to the exact topic we want. In the Help Center search bar, type Selling Add-on Products. Use that phrase as written to surface the most relevant result. If your browser autofills similar terms, clear them and retype to avoid unrelated topics. After typing, press Enter to view the results. If your connection is slow, give it a moment. You should see a list with article titles and short previews. In the results, click the article titled Selling Add-on Products. This is the official guide that explains what add-ons are, which plans support them, how they appear to customers during checkout, and how to configure them within your product setup. Once you're in, skim the headings to locate setup steps, limitations, and examples. For future reference, consider bookmarking the article or saving it to a Notes app so you can return to it when updating your store. If you're working with an older site, check the article's version notes to confirm it applies to your Squarespace version. That's it. You started on Squarespace's site, use the Resources menu to reach the Help Center, search the exact phrase, and open the official Selling Add-on Products article. Follow along in your own browser, and you'll get there in seconds.